Hunan Beyond Medical Technology is a CE and ISO certified medical device manufacturer with a registered capital of over 30 million RMB. This Hopefusion serial infusion pump, syringe pump, with Wi-Fi and LAN function, can achieve real-time infusion data transferring, centralized monitoring, and hospital HIS/CIS system connection. With a 3.5-inch HD touchscreen, achieving button, and screen 2 modes operation. It can be used for driving 2 60-milliliter full-list syringes. More than 9 working modes can fit with all the clinical requirements. 1.8% infusion accuracy, 10 levels bubble detection, DPS dynamic pressure system, IP44 waterproof level, and infusion tube lighting function. All these high techs make the infusion safer, make the nurse easier.